In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to point a domain to an IP address in GoDaddy. If you want your domain to open a website hosted on a specific server, one of the most common ways to do that is by creating or updating an A record in your DNS settings. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go inside your GoDaddy account and what to enter so your domain points to the correct IP address. To begin, sign into your GoDaddy account. Once you're logged in, go to your profile area so you can access the products and services connected to your account. From there, click on My Products. This section shows everything you currently manage, including domains. Next, find the domain you want to update and click on Domain. This will open the management area for that specific domain. Once you're inside the domain settings, look for the DNS option and click it. This is where your domain's records are managed, including the records that control where your website traffic is sent. Inside the DNS section, click Add New Record. You'll now be asked to choose the type of record you want to create. In the Type menu, select A. An A record is used to connect a domain name to an IPv4 address, which is the server IP where your website is hosted. After selecting A, enter the name field. In many cases, if you want the main domain to point directly to your server, this field may be left as the root symbol or entered according to what GoDaddy expects for the main domain. Then, in the IP address field, type the IP address you want your domain to point to. Make sure this address is entered correctly, because even a small typo can send visitors to the wrong location or prevent the site from loading. You'll also need to choose the TTL setting. TTL stands for Time to Live, and it controls how long DNS information is cached before updating. If you're not sure which value to choose, the default option is usually fine for most situations. Once everything is filled in, click Save. After saving, your new DNS record will be added. Keep in mind that DNS changes are not always instant. Sometimes they can begin working quickly, but in other cases, propagation can take some time, so be patient while the update spreads across the internet. That's it. Your domain has now been pointed to your chosen IP address using GoDaddy DNS settings.